Hi Ravi.
Yeah. Sure. Okay, guys. So till now we saw that, right? What peer-to-peer communication, right? Now let's work on what?
Yes, Ravi.
Let's work on what? PubSub
WhatsApp.
communication. Yeah,
PubSub.
PubSub communication, right?
PubSub.
So PubSub communication. Let's see that what? PubSub communication. So what is the PubSub communication? One producer can consume multiple consume can be, right? One producer can be multiple consumer, right?
Multiple consumer.
Yes. So multiple
Yes,
consumer.
Ravi.
So JMS publish.
Ravi, your voice is breaking.
Okay, voice is breaking. 1 minute.
Yes, Ravi.
Ravi, but not
Yes.
much.
1 minute. I'll now. Okay, GMS, right? GMS publish and what? Publish and what? Subscribe, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Publish and a subscribe. Publish and a subscribe is short form what? PubSub.
PubSub.
Pub and sub, right? PubSub. We can say that what? PubSub, right? So but the question is how we can enable it, right? How we can enable it, what? PubSub. So we saw that, right? Just only one keyword is there, right? One key is there, right? So we need what? We need specify one key that what? That indicate made of what? Communication is what? Pub, PubSub. So what is the key now? What is the key now? Anybody? Spring dot what?
JMS.
JMS
PubSub.
dot PubSub.
PubSub.
PubSub domain, right?
Yes.
PubSub
True.
domain. PubSub domain.
MEIN.
Yes. PubSub domain, right? PubSub domain. What is that? By default, this one is what? False, right? False. So if we make this one as what? True, then what? It will behave like the application will start to be having like what?
PubSub.
PubSub communication, right? So default, right? Default value is what?
False.
Value is what? False, right? Default value is what? False, right? Come on.
Yeah, yes, Ravi.
Yes. So now, but same like how we are working what at the time of peer-to-peer communication, what we are giving what destination name na in the application. Same like here, what we need to give, we should provide one common name, one common topic name. In this time, what we will give now? Topic
Common
name,
topic.
right? Topic name at what? Both producer and consumer application, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Consumer application, right? Consumer application. So let's directly do the coding now, guys. Okay, directly do the coding now. So now close this applications. Now take a file, new, take one project, Spring Starter project now. How much time it will take? File, new, Spring Starter. This much big. 1 minute. Yes. So let's give the name. What is that? Spring Boot, Spring Boot, JMS, what? Producer topic, right? Producer topic, right? So next, which dependency we need only in this time? Let's take a Spring Apache ActiveMQs, right? Next, finish it. Yeah, so the application is created. So let's what, take the same property again. We need everything is same, just we need to change where. I'll tell. Okay, open the application property, just paste it, right? Paste it here, and here what, Spring GMS pops up is there na, by default this one is fast na guys, come on.
Yes.
So make this one as what, true. Make this one as what, true now guys. Okay, make this one as what, true. Why this one is giving the problem?
Spelling wrong.
TRUE, true.
Oh yes. True, right? True. And let's give this one is what, this is the destination name is nothing but what, make this one as a destination. In this time, make this one as what, topic, right? Topic name is this one only, right? So good. Let's write one service class now guys. Okay, let's write one service class. Which one will send the data now? Here, now service, right? Now let's take the service class, and here what, producer service, right? Now finish it. So how we can make this one as what, service class? Now we will apply the annotation as what, service annotation, right? Service annotation now guys. Okay, good. So inside that, what we will do it now, we need to make what, right? GMS template. We need what, GMS template na, come on, to send the data, to consumer, right? Send the data to consumer, we need GMS template, right? JT, GMS template, JT, GMS template, JT, and make this one as what, auto-wired, right? Make this one as a what, auto-wired. Inside that, what we will do it now, we will make the call, right? We will make the call to whom, consumer. No, sorry, we will send the data to consumer, right? So we will take one method. So public boolean send, right? Send method I'm taking, return sent only, and here sent equal to false. Make this one as what? Sent equal to false now, guys. Okay, sent equal to false, right? So this one need, what is that? String type, right? It will send the string type data na. So let's take this one as what? Message. Message, string message. Now here what? Using the GMS template, right? Using the GMS template, same, right? Same, like the things will be same coding will be there, guys. Okay, same coding will be there, but what? Whenever we will run our mom server, in this time, what? Our mom server behavior will change, right? Our mom server behavior will change it now. So here what? JT dot what method is there? Sent, right? Send.
Send method.
Yeah, send method, right? It's taking what? Destination name, right? Destination name is what? So private string destination, right? String destination, and we will
Destination
load.
name.
Yeah, destination name we will load as
At
what?
the rate value.
Dynamically at the rate value.
Dynamically.
So here dollar.
Dollar.
Yes. So what we took the topic name,
My GMS.
my
My GMS
JMS
test.
topic, right?
Test.
Yeah.
My
Yes,
game
Ravi.
is the topic.
Yes. So here next what we will do it now, because this one we may fail, right? May fail. So we need to take this one as what? Try catch block.
Try catch block.
Try catch block. Inside that, let's take this one. Now here we need to write what? We need to write the send the data also, right? So what is the,
Session.
yeah, session dot
Session. Change to
Auto
lambda session.
session
Lambda
dot
expression.
what? Session dot what?
protection system not create a text message.
Create text messages, right? Create text messages, and we will
Text
pass.
message.
Yeah,
Create text message.
yes, we will pass that text message here, right? So now our what? Just normal text message only we will send it, guys. Okay, so now write what? A scheduler class also, right? Write the scheduler class also. So here what we will do it now? At the rate enable scheduling, right? Enable scheduling. Now new, take one class now here. Take one class now here. So inside that, what we will do it now? Producer. Let's take what? Producer runner. Okay, runner are scheduling only. Okay, let's take producer send data, right? Producer send data. Oh, here I'm taking com dot rk dot what? Data send, and here I'm taking what? Producer send data, right? Producer send data. Package is invalid.
Double dot
Oh,
is
yes.
there. RK double dot is.
Producer dot send data. Now finish it, right? Now finish it and make this one as what? At the rate component annotation. Use the at the rate component annotation, and next what we will do it now? We will write the logic, but we need to auto wire with what? Service class na. Service class is nothing but producer service, guys. Come on. Private
Yes, Ravi.
producer service.
Producer service.
Producer service, right?
Service.
And this one we make as a what?
Make
Auto
as
wire.
auto wire.
We will make this one as what? Auto wired, right? We will make this one as what? Auto wired. So yeah, so here let's write one method which one will send the data, right? Void run, right? Run a send data. Send data now. Okay, good. So send data, right? Send data, and here only in this method, what we will write? Call the service method. Service method dot what? Send method, right? Call the send method we took now. What is the method we are taking? Send only, right?
Yes, and only.
Let's make this one as a send one, right? Let's make this one as a what? Send one, and here also. Send one, right? And that one is what? Argumented method. So what we will do it now? Just hello data, just what? New date, right? Normally how we started, new date, right? Util new date I'm writing now. Okay, good. So after then what? SOPL sys out, just here write what? Data sent, data sent, right? Data sent now. Okay, good. So here write the scheduling cron expression.
Scheduled.
Scheduled cron expression. What
Cron
is
is
the
equal to
cron is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Every 5 seconds only. Let's take every 5 seconds. Fine. Every 5 seconds. This what? This method will execute, right? This method will execute now, guys. Okay. So same like, right? Let's write what? Consumer application also. This producer application. Let's create one consumer application.
enable scheduling.
Enable scheduling. Yeah. Enable schedule is already done.
We gave now.
File, new, other application, Spring Starter, next.
Ravi.
Yes.
Network issues.
Network issue is still.
Okay.
Voice
Now
is also breaking.
still breaking, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi, and screen
Okay.
also late.
I'll change it. I'll change network. Now fine, right? Guys, still
Yeah, yes,
breaking?
Ravi is fine.
Okay. So now let's
Fine,
give
Ravi.
what? Spring Boot JMS consumer topic, right? Topic. I'm giving the name as what? Spring Boot what? JMS consumer topic. In this time, what dependency we need? Just let's take what is that? ActiveMQs only, right?
ActiveMQ.
Yeah, next and finish. Yes. So open the property now, guys. Okay, open the property now and already copy that property, right? Copy the same property and paste it. And here also make that what Spring GMS pub subdomain as what? True only, right? True only.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now come inside the starter method in starter class. So at the rate, what we need to do now, enable
Enable JMS.
GMS, enable
Yes.
GMS, right?
JMS.
Enable GMS,
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
enable GMS. Now our GMS is enabled now, guys. Okay. So next, what we will do it now? Next, we need to write one listener method, right? We need to write one listener method. So right click,
Yes.
new, take one class, and here just give the name as what? Consumer service, consume, and here now service, consumer service. Now finish it. Make this one as a what? At the rate component. Make this one as what? At the rate component. After then what we will do it now? We will write the listener method, right? We will write the listener method. Just why I'm writing what? Public void read msg, read message, right? Read message, and a coming message will come as what? String format. So we will take as what? String message now, guys. Okay, string message. And here what we will write it? Just we will write what? Sysout consumer, sysout consumer one, right? Consumer one, right? Consumer one, let's say message. Now one consumer is ready now, guys. Okay, one consumer is ready now. So first what? In this time, let's what? Our mom server is running now, guys. Okay, now delete this application, right? Okay, timeout exception is came. Now stop the mom server. I'm stopping the mom server, right? So what I'm doing now? Run our mom server now. So again, I'm running the mom server. Again, I'm running the mom server now. Run our what? Consumer application. Right click, run our consumer application. Now our consumer application is running. Our consumer application is running. Now come to
Yet JSM listener not wrote.
Yes, Ravi.
JSM listener at
Method.
consumer side.
JMS listener.
Above method annotation and
oh, correct. Very good observation. Correct, Manjulata. Appreciated you. Here, right here, we need to write the at the rate listener, right? At the rate listener annotation, right? Come on.
listener. Yes.
GMS
Yes,
listener, and we need to give what? Destination name, right? Destination name is what?
Destination
My GMS topic, right?
property file.
Good.
dynamically.
Now paste it, right? Paste it. So run again the application, same application, run it. Run consumer application. Now here what we will do it now? /admin. Okay, now in this time, what is that? This is the previous, delete it. Okay, now come in the topic now, guys. Okay, in this time, come inside the topic, right? Guys, active yourself now. Now active
Yes, Ravi.
yourself. Come inside the topic now, right? Topic now. Message in queues 211. Don't focus on this area, right? That is the another things, right? Focus on this one now. What is that? One product is there now. Come on.
Product one.
Yes,
How
product one.
Yes, Ravi.
one consumer is running now? Come on. Zero,
Yes, Ravi.
zero in queues and
Yes,
what?
Ravi.
Zero DQs, right?
Zero DQ.
Zero.
Zero
DQs.
DQ'd,
Yes, Ravi.
right?
Yes.
Zero DQ'd. And what? One consumer is there. These are the supporter services about what JMS. Don't bother about this one. Right? So what is the product ID? What is the product ID? Whenever we will run, right? Whenever we will run, one enqueued will come and what? One dequeued will come, right? Because only one consumer is there. Don't worry, consumer we will develop, multiple consumer we will develop, one more consumer. So here what is that? Clone of what? Clone of data we will get. If one consumer is there, one consumer will get what? One data, and what? Another consumer will get what? Two data. Means what? Here only one is there, and what? Producer will be two. If two consumer is running, what? Two data will send, right? Two data will send, right? But what is that? In queues will come what? Only one, but the queues will be two if two consumer is running. If three consumer is running, this one will become three. If four consumer is receiving the data, this one will become four. Clear?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
Ravi.
So now fine. Now let's run our what? Producer application also. Now run the producer application. Now producer application send the data na. Now come to consumer. Consumer is receiving, right? Hello data Sunday. This is right.
Data
Now
set.
come here. Refresh our what topic? Refresh our topic. Now see this. One consumer is running, right? And here what? Three in queues and three DQs only, right?
Three.
Means
Yes.
three data. But what?
Yes, Ravi.
If we can increase the consumer, if we increase the consumer, then what will happen? What will happen? This one also will increase, right? This one will increase. Means what? 3 DQs means six in queues will come. 6 in queues will come, right? So now what I'm doing now? Let's develop what? One more consumer in another workspace, right? I'm doing the same things in another workspace also. So let's start one more workspace. Now microservices na, let's take MTI. See, when I was giving in interview, right? When I was giving the interview, guys, listen. In the Deloitte, right? This is the question that person is asked, right? In the RAA percent and these things is there, right? So we need to remove this duplicate data. Duplicate. This is the normal question everyone is asking, right? So I wrote the logic. Java 8 feature they are asking, right? A Java 8 feature. In this one, I did the logical practical also. See this, how I'm doing the RK collection, consumer, EMP, file, function, length, map, predefined, all those, right? A core Java new features. I'm doing the practical related to logical question. Threading, users, test. These are the Java 8 features I did the practical, right? So now file new. After then what? After then let's take one more project, right? Let's take one more project, consumer project. So here just what? Let's take demo only, right? Let's take demo only. So here what? Take the Java 8, right? Next, here what we need MQs, right?
MQs. Spring
Active
for Apache.
active MQs, right?
Sir, ActiveMQs. Spring for
Next, finish.
active. But
Already we have the property, now copy pasted that property file inside this project also. Open that property, still project initialization going on. Now open application property. Paste it. After then what? Just we need to write one code only, right? A consumer code only. Let's take one class. So consumer service 2, I'm writing here only finish it, right? Finish it. Make this one as what? Component annotation. Component annotation, just what we will do it now. Already we wrote the code now. Let's copy this code only. Same code only, right? Because we need multiple consumer, that's it now. So just what I'm doing now, just and make this one as what? Control shift O, and make this one as what? Second consumer, right? Second consumer.
Consumer two.
Consumer 2 now, guys. Okay,
two.
consumer 2 now. So now let's run what? Now what I'm doing now, this is the another workspace, this is another consumer, right? These two consumers are there. Stop it. Stop it.
Enable JMS class level.
Yes,
Yes,
good.
Ravi, on the main class.
Yes.
Main
Enable
class.
class level.
Enable JMS, right?
Enable.
Enable
GM.
JMS.
Yes,
Okay,
yes, sir.
perfect.
J-
Now here what we will do it now, stop this application also,
Copy
right?
paste recipe.
I stop it, right? I stop it. So first what we will do it now, come here, delete the running application now, right? So now run our consumer application. First run one consumer, two consumers we have now. We have two consumers now, guys. Come on, let's make the small one, smaller.
Yes, two common numbers.
Yes,
Yeah.
Ravi.
Okay, so we have what? Two consumers, right? One minute. Yeah, this is the first consumer. Run this first consumer. I'm running now. The first consumer is running, guys. Okay, first consumer is running now. Now clean the console, and another consumer, right? Now run this consumer also. Run second consumer. Second consumer also running now. Clear it. Both console clear it. Make this one as what? Big one. Now we will get both places. Just this is the one screen, one consumer screen, and this is another consumer screen console. Make this one as what? Big now. two consumers are there, right? These two consumers is running now, guys. Okay, and this is the MQs. Just refresh it. Now here, see this, guys. And how many consumers is running now in this time?
Two.
Hmm?
Two consumers.
Two consumers,
consumers.
right? Two consumers. Now let's run the producer application, right? I'm running the producer application. Run our producer application. Make this one as also small and run first. And make a big screen of what console. And this is what data sent na.
Data center.
Data sent,
Yes,
right?
Ravi.
See this here, what consumer 2, right? Consumer 2, consumer 1 also receiving and consumer 2 also receiving, right? Both. This is the producer
Yes.
application, right?
Yes,
Producer application is sending and these applications are receiving the data, right?
Yes, Ravi.
See this,
Yes.
see this. This is the one consumer, this is the another consumer. Now come here, right? Refresh this one. See this, 8 NQs and 16 DQs means what? Two consumers are there na, because 8 will send to another consumer and 8 means copy of data, right? 8 into 8, how 8 plus 8 how much?
Yes, Ravi. So,
2.
the number of 16.
8 into 2, 8 into 2 means what? 16, right? See this, 14s NQs and what?
Yes, Ravi.
28 DQs,
28.
right? If
28 DQ.
one more
Yes, Ravi.
if one more consumer will increase means what? How much is this one? 14
30.
plus 14 plus 40,
42.
right? 42. Come on, clear
42.
guys? Clear?
Yes, Ravi.
Like this our PubSub
Yes, Ravi.
application.
Clear.
Yeah, like this our what? PubSub application is working, guys. Okay, like this what our PubSub application is working now. So some limitation is there using what? Using Apache ActiveMQs, right? Some limitations are there, guys. Okay, some limitations are there. Because of that, in the real time people are not using, right? In the real time people are not using. If it's small scale
Not
application,
using
a
MQs.
small scale application is there, then the people will use, but large application is there, then the people are using what? Kafka. So what is the limitation?
Kafka.
What is the limitation? Limitations are there. So GMS ActiveMQs in what? Protocol dependent. What is the protocol dependent? TCP, guys. Come on. TCP protocol dependent na. Come on.
TCP protocol. Yes, Ravi.
TCP. Even if we develop
Yes.
what?
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Even if we develop web application also, right? Even if we develop